Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Bitcoin, we are trading at $19,584. 24-hour volume, we are down 28%, and market cap, we are down 1.31%. Heading over to our chart here, starting off on our weekly chart here, you guys, we are coming up to the area that I wanted. However, we are going to get some pullbacks for today. As we can see, our theory for our head and shoulder pattern is actually working. Unfortunately, I didn't want it to continue on this way. Essentially, I wanted us to break through our fib chart at 23% of 23,100. Essentially, that's kind of my plan here, is to break above it. If we do get rejected down, which we have, we see lower in the volume compared to the left shoulder of this head and shoulder chart pattern, which essentially is one of the characteristics of this chart pattern itself. Again, price may fall from this neckline here at 18,592, 5% confirmation. We're going to be monitoring that day after day here at the 17,795. So essentially here, again, we are at the very, very bottom of this candlestick here. Again, very, very huge pressure as the candlestick body itself is closer to the bottom. So essentially there's 2 more days until the end of this week. And if we are found closer to the bottom, then that is very, very unfortunate. We're going to come back and retest our area of support. As we see the RSIs at 54% and 34%, ideally, you guys, this isn't a ideal compared to our MACD indicator, again, because we are well below our 0%. We ideally want huge bars and histograms if coming up and retesting this area of resistance is going to be more realistic. Heading over to our daily chart here, you guys, we see more refined days compared to our weekly chart. We do see here as the histograms of our MACD, or these bars, very simple. These bars itself is coming down to an area of, weakness as we see the bars getting lighter. But not only that, the bars itself is getting very, very small. So essentially we are anticipating it to cross over from the green to the red. Let's take a look at this tomorrow, because if we are flipping over to the red at an area of support, which we can see a few of our candlesticks on August 28th, 29th, 30th, September 1st, and a few other candlesticks retracing around this area of support. And if we do flip over to the red of our MACD indicator, then it is going to be a huge sell-off, and price again may come back down to the 1817 as we observed on September 7th, as we broke through on September 6th of this area of support. If we take a look at our MACD, our RSI itself, we are at 0.69% and 11%. Keep in mind, if we do cross over, there is going to be a buying opportunity or a buying signal. It's showing us in a shorter time frame because we are continuously in this bearish market for Bitcoin. So we want to be taking a look at shorter trades itself. And lastly here, you guys, on our 2-hour time frame, as yesterday's video, we have broken through this area of support here at, again, 19,623. We have tested and came down closer to our golden number of our fib, which is the 78% of our fib at 19,464. If we take a look at a few indicators here, we can see the RSI is continuing to come down at 35%. But again, keep in mind, we can easily drop down closer to 15, 19 here, or even 0% before we see that pullback and price starts to continue to rise. So anticipate price to dangle around the 19,464 today and see if we're able to hold that support. If not, you guys, we may come down again to the 18,000. Our MACD indicator, corresponding with our volume, is not helping either. The volume itself is very minimal. We do want at least volumes of 700 or even 1,000 in our 2-hour time frame in order to come back up and retest this area of resistance at 19,923. We can see again a few of our candlesticks retraced at this level but got rejected. But essentially what we do want to do is come back up to our 20 moving average and retest that in order to change the trend itself from a bearish trend to a uptrend itself, or a bull trend in a short time frame. You guys, this is secondary trends, not primary trends. And again, as these histograms are getting smaller, lighter in color, we are most likely going to be breaking certain areas of support here. So watch out for that, you guys. That is my video here for Bitcoin. If you enjoyed go ahead and like and subscribe and comment down below to support my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.